What's up, you guys? It's just Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a blessed, growing, prosperous day. I just want to thank God for being here today and sharing with you and thanking Him for a lot of other things that He has done in my life just on today alone. And just want to give you guys an update. These are our Kobe seeds. Prayer still going out to the Kobe family, Kobe Bryant and his children and loved ones and friends. And you remember, you guys, we planted these in his honor yesterday from Germination. I'm trying to let it focus. And yeah, this is the results, you guys. You know, I just showed you guys a video a few hours ago. And these are the Kobe seeds. And if you look at the previous video, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Talk about a rebound, a bounce back. Talk about life, living, loving, laughing, enjoying each other's company, and sharing in love. Because life is too short, you guys. So I just want to keep you up to date on that and give you an update. Like I said, I'm not doing a whole bunch of hilarious stuff today out of respect. And this touches not just his family, it touches a lot of people around the world. When you know somebody's doing good and they're trying and they've succeeded, and gives me hope to try and succeed. So I love you guys. You're the best. It's just Skinny Boy Randy. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it. I love you guys. These are our Kobe plants. We're gonna name them Kobe.